These are the directions for formatting your World's Fair thematic map assignment. As you can see on the side, we have 4 steps we need to complete in order to do this. Step 1 is to delete your directions. We're going to do this by highlighting our directions up here and deleting them. Once we've done that, step 2 is to make sure all writing is the same size, font, and color. We have that on here already. Everything is the same size, it's the same font. We have some things that are bolded, but those are the things that are supposed to be bolded. Once you have made sure that all of your text is the same font size and color, you are going to resize your map so that everything is on one page. So for my example, my map is so big that it's on the second page. What I'm going to need to do, I'm going to need to select it and make it smaller so that it eventually is on one page. However, I don't want it too small, so I'm going to make it just big enough so that it is on this page, but not too big so that it goes one. It may take you a second to figure out how big it's supposed to be. Step number 4 is to center your map. To do this, you're going to select your map. You're going to go up to here where it says Align. You're going to click it, and you're going to click Center Align. This is going to put your map right in the middle. Once you have done this, making sure that everything is on the same page, you are done with this assignment.